Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to recover deleted photos without backup. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first method is you can just restore them by going to your Google Photos trash. You can go to the trash bin or trash icon. Go to library, trash bin. If photos are there, select them, tap restore. You have to take note that photos are kept for 30 days in trash. Now, another thing is that or another way to restore photos without or recover photos without backup is to use tools such as the following, like Disk Digger Photo Recovery. All you have to do is to install this one or download, and then you can do the basic scan, select and recover photos. So deeper recovery may require routing your phone, so which can avoid warranty. You have to take note of that. Another is that you can use a PC-based recovery tool such as Doctor Phone for Android if you're using Android, TenorShare old data for Android or iPhone. So install this tool on your PC. You can connect Android phone via USB and then enable USB debugging, settings, developer options, and follow prompts to scan and recover deleted photos. So basically, these are the methods and ways on how to recover deleted photos without backup. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.